In this video, you'll learn how to enable and use comments in DocuSign to make your document workflow more interactive and efficient. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the DocuSign dashboard, which is your main hub for managing documents. From here, navigate to the Admin section. This is where you can control various account settings and features. Inside the Admin panel, look for the Comments option. Clicking on it will open the settings related to comments in your documents. Next, find the option labeled Enable Comments in Envelopes Sent from this account and turn it on. This allows users to add comments within documents, improving collaboration and communication. Once enabled, comments can be used to provide feedback, clarify details, or keep track of important notes directly within your document workflow. And that's it. You now know how to enable and use comments in DocuSign. This simple feature can make a big difference in how you manage and collaborate on documents. Be sure to explore more settings to get the most out of your DocuSign experience.